folks, see if you're gonna catch anything. You got one in there already. This gentleman right here is getting a bite. Fish too small for the hook. With worms. And folks, this reminds me when I was a kid. You want to fish, you go dig up some worms, and you got a cane pole, and you go fishing. This is the way I fished when I was a kid. You got the hook sitting on the bottom, but the fish aren't on the bottom. I set it for about a foot, but I'm not the one fishing. See, it's on the bottom, so you got hung up on the bottom.
Yan! Yan! Lawin mo! Lawin mo!
Gonna get some help from his buddy. Come on, you gonna dive in?
Yeah!
Alright folks, so you got no choice. You gotta dive in and get that hook out of there. This ain't America where you go to Walmart and buy a pack of, 80 goddamn hooks for a quarter. He's not gonna pop that line. He's going down there to get that hook. But I think his buddy's gonna help him out. Let's see. Yeah, but he's fishing with a cane pole off this bridge. This reminds me of when I was a kid. This is how I fished. You went out in the cow pasture, dug up some worms, went out to the barn, dug up some worms, and you went fishing. Catch 2 or 3 catfish, that was dinner at night. And that's what these gentlemen are doing here. So let's see if he gets his hook.
What's that you call the one catch you illegal fishing?
Oh yeah.
Warden.
Yeah.
Get upstairs, downstairs.
Okay, so he caught his buddy's cane pole.
First time in Philippines, you?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, stay here a long time.
Oh, you stay here before this river.
Yeah.
Used to be dirty, very dirty.
Right, but now it's nice and clean.
Aloha. Hi. Hello. I'm going over there. Walking.
Folks, that's deep. That's deeper than I thought it was. He's got to go down and get that hook.
Diving.
You got to dive for the hook.
You know the one like,
Yeah.
what you call that?
The spear fishing.
Yeah. Ooh, we catch.
Yan! Alam ni mama mo, dito ka.
Dito I catch plenty on the shore. No?
Batak na batak kayo, no?
What?
Nice talking to you.
Same.
Yeah. All right, take care. But folks, this young man is getting a bite, but what he's doing, the minute he gets a bite, he's jerking it out of the fish's mouth. He needs to let it go under a little. Okay, now look at that. Look at the size of that one. Oh my goodness. It looks like he caught his bait. Hey, that goes in the trap, folks. That's a pretty nice little live bait well he's got there. I say live bait well, but that's his catch in there. That's a pretty cool little setup he's got. I'll have to make me one of those. I'll get Johnny to make me one out of bamboo tomorrow. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta go see Johnny and get me a cane pole. Alright, they're giving up. Folks, so thanks for joining me on this little fishing video. Kids just fishing off the bridge here in the Philippines. Catching whatever they can catch, and it's going in the pot, I assure you. Once I get my cane pole, I'm gonna show them young men how to fish, because I'm a redneck. I know how to catch fish. All right, folks, on to the next spot. Roll into Barrio, Barretto. Talk to some people. Chatted up with some lady friends of mine and just see what's shaking down in the Barrio. Thanks for joining me. And folks, right here, basically across from Barrio Beach, we got this new Divvy Mart. Soon to open. Be a good little shopping spot. We're right here across from the 7-Eleven on the way to Barrio Beach. Barrio, however you say it. Alright folks, I am chilling like a villain. I'm up here at this bar called, what's the name of this bar? Landlocked.
Central Park.
No, this place.
This is Landlocked Bar.
I'm at Landlocked Bar across from Central Park Reef. And folks, if you're at Landlocked Bar, and you'll see the sign that says Rolling Stones, but that's the bar I'm at right here, Landlocked Bar. But you do have a beachfront view. Now let me show you the beachfront view. Whoop, right there. Whoop, right over there. You can see the water, my friends. Life is good. Right there. So I got a beachfront view, chilling with a beautiful lady. And folks, life is good. Just watching traffic go by. Watching traffic go by here in Barrio, Barretto, in the Philippines, my friends. And I was on my way home, minding my own business, when these ladies called out to me and they got me drinking a cold San Mig Light. What can I do? What can I do? When you're walking along, beautiful ladies start hollering at you, you gotta pull in there and get a drink, my friends. That's right, huh? You wanna be on my YouTube video? Now, in the US, you gotta have an F-150, F-250 with a dump truck bed, a dump bed on it, you know. Folks, that tricycle right there, that's an F-150. You got a tricycle and a cardboard box. Can haul more cargo than a goddamn F-150. There you go. They probably put 1,000 pounds on that tricycle. It'll still roll out. F-150, and I'm a Ford man. I'm not saying nothing bad about Ford. I'm just saying a pickup truck get about what? 8 miles to a gallon. That some bitch right there get about 100 miles to the gallon. Haul the same shit. Goddamn efficiency. All right, so we're gonna watch this gentleman. We're gonna watch this gentleman go to work, and then we will stimulate the economy and order something up.
Forte.
Girl right there, that girl right there, beautiful, beautiful girl. Work.
Wait.
Baby, just utang. You do the utang for me. Yeah, the utang. Just utang it. Okay, I do the utang for you. Ain't nobody giving the foreign guy credit, my friends. That ain't happening. Okay, hold on. Let me get... All right, so my lady came back. All right, so what do we got? Is this for 40 pesos?
Yes.
All right, so we got two banana Q. And this is a banana Q, but what he was putting in the cup over there, I don't know how much was the cup. We got 2 banana Q for 40 pesos. Here you go, darling.
Thank you.
That's for you and whoever you want to share that with.
Yes.
I'm just gonna drink beer. Folks, and she actually brought me my 10 pesos change. My goodness, what is going on in the world? And folks, it's a beautiful evening here in Barrio, Barretto, with the breeze coming through. I'm up on the second deck with a beautiful view of the ocean right through there. Now, folks, you can't see him, and I didn't get it on video, but this guard over here, the guard, where's he work at?
And Cebuana and downstairs.
Okay, so he works at the Cebuana. This guard just walked over and gave this gentleman a banana cue. And we were talking about it, but the guard beat us to it. You can't see him. I didn't even realize he was standing there. But whoever the guard is, he's standing there waiting on his banana cue. But he gave that gentleman his banana cue first. That is a true gentleman. And you can hit me if you want to, but folks, when you live here, I can't buy everybody on the street something, all right? I do my part, but I can't feed everybody. But collectively, we can. And so the guard did his part, and that gentleman's eating a banana cue. And I want to give him credit, but he's hanging out underneath over there. I can't see his ass. All right, I'll try to catch him when he comes out. So looks like we got the staff coming out of the Central Park Reef. They're training. They're training, folks. We got the staff in place, but when is this place going to open? That is the question. That's the question. And that's the guard right there. That true gentleman. Shout out to him. Gave that gentleman over there a banana cue. And we just had the staff let out from the Central Park Reef. This guy right here, he was here at the right time because he's got a little extra business going on. This dude right here is cleaned up. Every time he tries to leave, people are running saying, "Kuya, kuya." My goodness. That's an armored car here in the Philippines. It's like a fucking rolling box. The ladies right here. My goodness. And they're stopping at the banana queue station. Nope. Wow, so many beautiful ladies walking around here in Barrio, Barretto. Oh my goodness. Fucking power went out. We're still fucking rocking. Welcome to the Philippines, my friends. Yeah. after party goes on. Okay. When the fucking power goes out. Fucking power is out. But the good news is I got 2 motherfucking Heinekens here.